DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm going to unbox this in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, I am super excited about this, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Look at the size of it. I mean, this thing is tiny, absolutely tiny. And you know what, I ordered it, I don't know, like a few days ago or something like that, and it said delivery after Christmas. So I am super excited to have received this before Christmas, because you know what, like everybody, or like most people, I've got a few days over Christmas and I'm going to be looking forward to kind of using this. So let's get it unboxed. Trusty knife. Score that just a little bit. Not did a great job of this. More cutting required. Paper. What the hell? How the hell do you open this? Some of the journalists got early views of this, and maybe I should watch them on how to unbox it. You know, I don't really want to cut it all the way down the bottom, but I'm kind of thinking that that is the only way in. So here we go. Ah, here we go. Look at that. Look how tiny. Well, in fact, look. Here we go. Look, we've got a bit of a case. Oh, look, case and a whole bunch of bits and pieces in here. So let's flick that open. Silica pack. What else we got? Kind of carrying strap. What else we've got in here? We've got some cables, and it's got a USB-C cable, so that's really good. So USB-C, definitely the way forward. And we've got, let me open it up, this is like the tiniest bag on the planet. You know what, I'm just going to have to go for it. Oh, keep going. Unboxing videos, eh? This is a USB-C connector for connecting your mobile phone to the Osmo Pocket, and actually in here there is also a lightning adapter to connect an iPhone to. So not entirely sure what happens to micro USB, but it's not in the package. So there we go. Definitely not. So USB-C or lightning. Any other phones, I'm afraid, no go. I mean, you might be able to get some accessories, an accessory for it from the DJI website. I believe they're going to make a ton of accessories for this thing, so you know, it's only just been launched, so kind of look out for that. So here it is. This thing is tiny. Look, it's like less than 6 inches tall. Quite solid in the hand, a nice weight to it. I'm going to power it on and see if there's any charge in it. Doesn't appear to be, but of course that could be the wrong button. Let's have a look, see if this, no. So unfortunately I'm going to have to charge it up. It takes a micro USB card, memory card, textured finish, like a rubbery finish here to give you grip. This little bit here houses the section for connecting the adapters to it. Just slides in there, and your mobile phone can sit in there like so. So, oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. We've actually, I've pressed something and the thing's just burst into life. So there are some instructions on the back here. There's two buttons, record, and I don't know what the other button is just yet, but this is an unboxing and not the review. But there is a tiny little touch screen on there. As soon as I go up, I'm going to set that up for English, and we've also got just a bit of sticky on there, but yeah, there's the screen, and you know, yeah, device not activated. So it looks like I'm going to have to go in and do a bit of stuff here just to set this up. I probably need to read the instructions and get this thing activated. But anyway, that was just a quick unboxing. I'm going to turn it off for a second. I'm going to just unplug that. So guys, this thing is absolutely tiny. It needs setting up. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to read through the instructions so I can come back, give you a good review, give you some example shots. This thing is supposed to be very, very capable. So guys, for now, that's been the unboxing for the DJI Osmo Pocket. This thing is a serious piece of kit. I'll be back to give you a review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you've got any questions, post them so that I can answer them once I've set this thing up. And you know what? Subscribe, click on the bell icon, guys, and thank you for watching.